Get used to it.
No, I will not get used to it. I won't stop ranting until you stop doing it. Honestly, almost just pass out. I literally felt my heart stopped, like literally stopped. Hi faves, good morning, 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 good afternoon, and good night. Good morning, you guys. It's the weekend. I know I can't sing, but that's okay. Of course, you guys know when we're in the car, we're on our way to somewhere good, okay? When it's the weekend, that's what we do. You guys know us by now. It's the weekend. We have family time. We spend time together because in the week it's always busy. So on the weekend, that's what we do. Tyler is around there chilling, want to nap, right, babe? And babe is here driving, looking all handsome as usual. All right, you guys. So we are on our way first to the supermarkets. We're on our way to the vegetable supermarket first, and then we are gonna stop at the food supermarket, run some errands, and then head home, have some lunch, then head back on the road because it's going to be a long eventful day. We have so much things to do today. So we're going to make today very eventful. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Even though it's the weekend, you guys know it's my rest day, and make sure you guys work out, okay? Get your workout in. Get your workout in. Yeah, that's just about what's up for today. On that note, the Jamaican expression for today, I'm going to give you another insulting word. You're getting babes laughing. You're getting a lot of insulting word for this week. So the Jamaican expression for today is lippy lippy. If somebody tell you that you're lippy lippy, that is nothing good. If you're lippy lippy, means you chat too much. Stop the chatting. You're just doing this, okay? So the Jamaican expression for today is lippy lippy. Don't be a lippy lippy, all right? Be humble, be calm, be nice. Don't be a lippy lippy. That's the Jamaican expression for today. You get it? Make sure you get it. All right, later babe will give you his spin on the Jamaican expression because you know he's driving, so we'll catch up you guys in a bit, okay?
Again,
you guys, I honestly almost just passed out. I literally felt my heart stopped, like literally stopped. That was a harsh moment. My camera literally just fell out of the bag. Because I'm always recording, so I always just stuck it in the side of Tyler bag where there's a little tape, so I think it's kind of secure enough. Babe put the bag on the top of the car and I took it down, and the I take it from the top of the car, the bag's already in my hand, and I make like 2 steps, I hear bloof, look on the ground, and my camera was there. I literally wanted to cry, like seriously I wanted to cry. I just had to hold it in just now. Oh my god, I almost lose my baby. I almost lose my baby. Oh my god. Don't do that to me again. You. Don't do that to me again, okay? Just checking if she's okay. She looks good. She looks good. It's raining. Look guys, outside it's an ugly day outside. Let me just show you what outside look like right now, so you guys can see for yourself. See the sky, it's dark and it's literally just started dripping, so that means the rain is going to come today again. It's been raining for the past 2 days non-stopping, and I was hoping that today and tomorrow would be a good day because we have 2 eventful days the weekend, so you know that's what we do. But it's God works, we gotta do what we gotta do regardless. Vegetables supermarket was a success. Everybody bitching on you today, honey. These people drive so recklessly. It's the most reckless driving I've ever seen. Well, except from Jamaica. If you can drive in Jamaica, you can drive anywhere. See a spot here, my love. So vegetable supermarket was good. Now we're on our way to the food supermarket. So Lego. We've been in this mall for more than 2 hours, maybe 3, because it's raining like crazy. We finished shopping so fast, and by the time we were ready to leave and we reached the exit, I said, baby, no, I ain't going out in this rain. You guys, let me show you. That's what's going on right now, and this is the better part you're getting, because we just get a chance to leave. It's raining, non-stop raining, non-stop raining. So plans have changed for today, and we ended up having lunch at the mall, which we didn't plan on. And this doesn't look like, well, not that it doesn't look like, I am not taking bus in this rain when I can stay in my warm house. So I don't think we'll be going to the other mall again that I wanted to go to, because we wanted to take the bus and then we wanted to go to town and have dinner in town and all that. The day is just planned and everything just go crazy. My grandmother always say, man a plan and God a wife. So that's what happened today. We're planning and God decide otherwise, but that's nature. It is what it is. And we had lunch and now we're going home in the rain to cuddle and drink some hot coffee, right babe?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, yes, hot chocolate. Where did coffee come from?
Yeah.
I'm not a coffee kind of girl, but I drink coffee, but I love my hot chocolate. So yeah,
And watch a movie.
and watch movies and probably make some soup for dinner if I'm in the mood. I don't know why, as a Jamaican, whenever it rains, the first thing that comes to your mind to cook is soup. I don't know if everybody else is like that. And worse, I've been feeling for soup since yesterday. I don't know if I have everything to make soup. But let's see how it goes. And the traffic on the other side of the road, oh my god. Look at that, you guys. Look at that traffic coming down. But yeah, it's raining cats and dogs, and we are heading home. Okay, you guys, we are home, and it's definitely calling it a day from outside today, and we're just crashing in. If you guys can see outside, it is still raining like crazy. I can't even see the beach. I won't even open the door to go outside and show you guys, because out there should be chilly. If you guys could just see how hard it is raining right now. It's raining and there's a little wind, which make it super cold. So yeah, that's what outside is looking like right now. It's just raining, non-stop raining. So we're just crashing in for the rest of the day. Tyler is here making a mess on the floor as usual, and baby's off to make hot chocolate because it's going to be a hot chocolate kind of day. And yeah, we'll be just chilling and drinking hot chocolate all day, you guys. So yeah, that's what's going to be up for today. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, and if it's raining where you guys are, make sure you guys stay warm and drinking out the hot chocolate, okay? I'm about to go make us some dinner. And of course it's raining and it's cold, so your girl ain't gonna cook nothing heavy. So I bought some green plantain at the supermarket today. So that's what I'm going to make. Some fried green pressed plantain, and I have some jerk chicken leftover from yesterday. So that's what dinner is going to be for tonight. Jerk chicken and fried green pressed plantain. Yes! And another cup of hot chocolate. Guys, quick and easy, dinner is ready and everybody's happy. I didn't make Tyler dinner though. Tyler dinner is this right here, and he's having what we call in French a petit souper puree of legume. That's what he's having for dinner. As babe say, you can't go to Jamaica, so you bring Jamaica to you. So we're having Jamaican dinner tonight, of course. All right, let's eat. Hey guys, Tyler is off to bed. So you know it's us time, right, babe?
That woman now.
All right, don't do my... Oh, I'm going to rant right now. Does any black woman that is with a white man have a problem with their hair and their husband? Listen, my husband seems to doesn't understand that. Let me get it together. He doesn't seem to understand that when he does this to his hair goes back in the same position that it was. But when he does that to my hair, it does not go back into the same position that it's in. He doesn't seem to get it. I am with this man.
No, I don't mind. I get it. I don't get it. It's just
no,
like it
no.
If you like it or something,
Baby.
just continue.
No. Baby, you cannot do that to my hair because you're ruining my hairdo.
It's the end of the day, baby.
No, you don't do it.
You're
just
going
the
to
end
bed.
of, baby. You do it morning, noon, and night. He does this to my hair all the time. Even when I just finished combing my hair, baby is rubbing his hand in my hair like this. You can't do that. You're ruining my hair. My hair is not like yours that go back into the same position when you do that.
Well, get used to it.
No, I will not get used to it. I won't stop ranting until you stop doing it. Oh my God. Interracial problem. Married couple problem. He does this all the time and I rant about it all the time and he's not stopping, and he's so in love with my hair. He loves playing in it. He loves, look at him, he loves playing in my hair, and he failed to understand that it's not going to go back into the position that it was. If he does that, look at him right now. You think he's a pillow?
Yeah, but she's inside. You can hide everything you want inside. I'm sure I can get eggs, I can get a little bird.
Okay, so my rant is over. You guys, my baby's off to bed. It's officially the end of the night for Tyler, so of course we're just gonna end the vlog here. But he didn't tell you guys bye. Sorry about that one. I was so caught up talking to my family, and it's really a good moment when I get to just chit chat with my brother, my sister, my mom, my in-laws, and all that good stuff. So yeah, babe, the Jamaican expression for today, you didn't say it. Say the Jamaican expression for today.
Bini bini?
No.
No, I don't remember what it is. It's something easy to say.
Lippy lippy.
Lippy lippy. Well, bini bini was close. Lippy lippy. Yeah, lippy lippy.
Lippy lippy. Chatting too much.
Okay, yeah, lippy lippy.
You don't ever tell anybody that you're lippy.
Okay.
Did you just say that?
Yeah, bini bini.
You just say I'm lippy lippy?
Yeah. You're a lippy lippy. I am a lippy lippy, not you.
You are?
Chat a lot.
That's so true. Sometimes I have to zone this man out when he's passionate about his conversations. Anyway, you guys, so there you have babe take on the Jamaican expression for today.
Lippy lippy.
Yes, there you have it. You get it? Make sure you get it. Alright, you guys, we're just gonna go ahead and call it a night. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, even though it wasn't that much because of the rain just ruined our plan, but that's okay. It's
Tomorrow should be a
nature.
better day.
Tomorrow will be a better day. We pray about it.
Look at the weather forecast. It looks sunny.
Yeah, so tomorrow should be really eventful, and I'm looking forward to the fun that we will be having tomorrow. We should be having tomorrow. All right, you guys, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and it's your first if it's your first time watching. Thank you guys for stopping by. We love every single one of our faves. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.